Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is the final. I'll be filming at Oriole Ghost Station, and I can see the trains is about to cross over Leslie Street and come pull to the Oriole Ghost Go platform. You could see the lights of the train coming down there. It's coming. It's coming all the way here. You can see the lights are on. The train is actually coming towards the station, pulling to Oriole Ghost Station. This is the 1815 Richmond Hill line train pulling Oriole Ghost Station in. You can see the train is pulling into this Oriole Ghost Station. And the lights are turned off, just only one middle light is on. So we have an MP40. It looks like number 625. I'm gonna pause until the train leaves at Oriole Go Station. Okay, doors about to close any second at Oriole Go Station. This time doors are about to close at Oriole Go Station. The doors are not closed. Now 6:35 is departure Oriole Go Station, pulling 10 cars upstream. and Old Cap Car 254. So there they go all the way down to Bloomington, go on to Richmond Hill. Thank you for guys watching this video, and I hope you really enjoy it. Take care, and I'll see you next time.